Hello, welcome to Adventures with Dougler. Today, it's a baseball game for my stepson Holden. We're in Rodeo right now, and we are at, let's see, Lefty Gomez Community Center. Got a game today at 8 a.m. We had to be here at 7 a.m. But yeah, we're here. He's warming up and gonna get it. won their first game, so that is awesome. Next game is at 12, so see you then. Well, the kids lost the second game, but they have a third game. So we gotta wait another 2 hours and then play the third game. They're all pretty depressed from losing the second game, but we'll see how the third game goes. Hopefully it'll be a good one. Well, they won the third one. Yeah! Hello everyone. Well, it didn't go that well. They got kicked out of the tournament. I guess the coach didn't know, but you can have your pitcher only pitch 2 innings, and he had the pitcher pitch 3 innings. And at the beginning of the 3rd inning, when he was pitching, after the first few throws, someone came up and said that we were cheating, and we are disqualified now from the tournament and asked to leave. It was very disappointing and sad. All the kids were just bawling, crying. It was, oh man, it was rough. It was really rough. But everything's a learning lesson, basically, it seems, these days, right? But anyways, make sure to like and subscribe, and remember, everyone's life is just stories, so make it a good one. Thank you for watching.